Hi, thank you for joining us today to a new uploaded video. We are continuing our new video series house tours. Today the second part, small and family homes. An amazing image selection of beautiful small and cozy small detached family homes. Please watch our new uploaded video and enjoy amazing home interiors, beautifully furnished and decorated. You will find here that you need more than furnishing and decoration to transform a house into a home. You will also need creativity and inspiration to create a dreamy home interior. After all, there is no need to limit yourself, even when you are dealing with a small living space. If you live small, you can still live smart and well. For this reason, we have selected here amazing home interior design ideas. So watch our video and get inspired by these beautiful and creative ways that can help you to turn your living space, no matter how small it is, into a home. Just look at these home interiors. There are so many ways you can use to get the most of the space. You can reach your furnishing and decorating goal with the help of creativity and smart solutions. Slim, slight, weight, streamlined and multifunctional furniture is the keyword for small home interiors. You will find many smart ideas in our video regarding the decorative accessories. Choose them carefully, do not over decorate your living space because any decor, no matter how large it is, can quickly look messy. So it is better to choose accessories that have a sentimental value and give the space character. But let's see together several ideas from our video. We start our presentation with a beautiful small home interior, more precisely the upper level of this home, the attic, turned into a beautiful living space. Here you can see a charming master bedroom in white, beige, gray and brown. The ground floor of a small detached family home. In this image you can see a cozy living room with grey walls, hardwood floor, large windows, glass door and a wood burning stove. The glass door leads you to a beautiful garden. What do you think about this charming and cozy living room of a wooden frame small home? Beautiful interior decor in a Scandinavian inspired style design. Absolutely beautiful home interior in this image. Small open space with a lovely living dining area. Super decor with a cottage style look. Another ground floor of a small home. Here in this image you can see a beautiful furnished and decorated living room in a neutral color palette, light gray, light brown and white, modern furniture and decorating accessories. But let's see a typical bathroom of a small home. Modern look in gray hues, large tiles on walls, white bathroom, bathtub, shower cabin, modern sink and storage under it. The modern bathroom look perfectly complement the whole home interior look. What do you think about this fabulous small living room decor? A beautiful combination of materials, colors, textures and patterns. Everything is arranged around a round glass top coffee table. Here you can see a gorgeous master bedroom. Nice combination of color and styles. The large golden modern painting catches the eye and surprisingly complements the decor. Here you can see another beautiful small home interior. Lovely design in black, grey and white. Large opening to an interior backyard. Fabulous master bedroom in a small home interior situated at ground floor with a glass door that leads you directly in the middle of a beautiful garden. Large windows allowed plenty of natural light to get inside. Here you can see an amazing open space that brings together a compact living room, a small but stylish dining area, and a modern kitchen. The interior looks comfortable and elegant despite its small size. Here we have another beautiful bedroom with a charming design and a feminine touch. Light color palette, simple furniture, lovely painting, and smart idea for a wardrobe. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. See you soon. Bye.